Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on Alibaba just 9 days ago, to be exact on May the 2nd of this year, when the price of this asset was, as you can see right here, at $131.5. And at this point my main assumption was that we have to see the reaction out of the range of $130, and if this level holds, so we have to retest this previous swing high at $144, and potentially we might have a trend to the level of roughly $157. And guys, take a look right here. This is the actual price action of Alibaba. I made my previous video when the price was at this level, and since I made it, the level of $130 hold, and we had a retest, another retest of $144. And guys, as you can see, this is another evidence of the power of technical analysis. And by the way, I made several recent predictions on the price of Alibaba, and you can watch my previous videos. The links to these videos you can find in the description below, and there you will see that I was 100% correct, and I caught this bottom to the tick. I told that we might retest $144 first of all, then we might have this type of reaction, and guys, everything happens exactly as I predicted. That is why, if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and join my Patreon account. And guys, this is the post that I wrote on January the 30th. It is a public post that you can find on my Patreon. It is pretty much all trade alerts that I made from December the 1st to January the 30th. These are the results of these alerts. You can see that all of the trades were in profit except this one on December 19th. TRWV hit a stop loss order, and we've lost about 1.33% on this trade, but all other trades are in green. That is why you can use these trades in your personal trades as a part of your due diligence. So guys, you've seen many of my trade calls, all delivering strong returns in just hours. Now it's your turn to trade smarter. Join my safe haven Patreon tier, built for traders who want consistency, structure, and real results. You will get a detailed plan to protect your portfolio, monthly one-on-one Zoom sessions with me, and private Discord access with all trade alerts, lessons, and exclusive updates. And here is the best part. If you don't earn more than your subscription price within 30 days, you will receive a full refund, no question asked, as long as your trading account balance is at least $2,500 and you've taken all the recommended trades during the period. No excuses, no fine print. You profit or you don't pay. Join today and let's start building your edge in the market.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So guys, and on today's video I will show you what should we expect next from the price action, and what major catalyst will happen within less than 24 hours. So, and let's take a look at the general sentiment related to BABA stock. If you type in Google search bar BABA stock and switch to News tab folder, you will see the most recent news. And I have to say that one of the major catalysts that will happen within next 24 hours is their earnings report that will be published on May 13, right before market opens. And this is a quite interesting article. Alibaba stock, what Wall Street expects from Q4 earnings Wednesday. And here are the bullet points. Alibaba reports Q4 2026 earnings on May 13 before market opens. BABA stock is down 4% year to date, heading into results. Revenue is forecast at roughly 246.5 billion yuan, up from 236.45 billion yuan a year ago. Net profit is expected to fall to 11.16 billion yuan from 12.38 billion yuan. Wall Street holds a strong buy consensus with an average price target of $184.07, implying 31% upside. Guys, the crucial numbers are this one. Net profit is expected to be lower than they had previously. And if we take a look right here on their previous earnings report, where they missed both earnings per share and revenue, you can see that right after this report was published, wait a second, I will show you like this, the price of Alibaba went down by 14%. Does it mean that it will happen within the next 24 hours? Definitely not. But you have to be very cautious with your position, because for now, if they miss an expectations on revenue, and if they miss an expectations on earnings, and these expectations were lower than this company had a year ago, in this case, well, investors might not like this update, this news, and the sell-off might happen. What should you do if you want to benefit out of its movements? I have to say that if you want to bet before the earnings report from any side, from bull side or from bear side, it is not the good choice, because it is a pure gambling. And for now, guys, I want to tell you that we have several potential signs that might happen and that might prove the upcoming trend. And let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, first of all, we have to wait for the report itself, and we have several ranges of support and resistances. If I connect this bottom and this bottom as well, you can see that we have some kind of ascending level of support. And if I connect these several tops, these three tops, you can see that we have the range of resistance. And this structure is nothing else but ascending triangle, and usually these triangles break to the upside. But at the same time, guys, a very strong sign of its bearishness will be breakout below this line of support. And if it happens, guys, unfortunately, the path to around $117.5 will be open, and in this case, guys, the downside potential for this asset will be, wait a second, about 14%. That is why I don't encourage you to enter any of your positions, because we have very high chances, well, relatively high chances to see the breakout below this level of support. But if it breaks this level of resistance, if it goes as I predicted in one of my previous videos, because if it retests this level of resistance, we have a very good chances to see the trend continuation. But definitely everything will depend on the results and on your guidance. That is why, guys, if the breakout happens, we might see, wait a second, let's delete this blueprint. If the breakout happens, we might see this breakout above this level of support, level of resistance, sorry. We might retest it from the top as the level of support. And if it happens, guys, this will be the first level where you can enter your long position in order to catch its next movement to the upside. And the next level, the breakout above, which will indicate another potential buying point, is this one, when it breaks this previous swing high. And in this case, you will be able to benefit out of the movement. It shouldn't be the biggest gains, but the downside potential in this particular setup will be not so big, because if it breaks below this yellow line around $143, it will invalidate this bull count, and in this case the risk to reward ratio might be quite massive. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life, I'm crazy, I'm mad.